we are going to learn example number 6 of exercise 2.5. Write the place value of the 2 in the following decimal numbers. See, we have a different 5 numbers: 2.56, 21.37, 10.25, 9.42, 63.352. In it, we have to find out the place value of 2. See, right? As we have learned about place value of in decimal, we knows well, simple, right? Suppose we have a number one, last number, suppose we'll take decimal of any. Now after unit digit, its value becomes what? 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 1000, like that. And before decimal, as it is, however, already we have learned unit 10, right? So according to this, see the first one, 2.56. So where 2 is situated over here? What is the place of 2? In the ones. Where? In the ones place, right? So we can say the place value of 2 of 2 in 2.56 is 2, right? As it is, go for the next 21.37 unit 10. So what is the place value of 2 over here? 20, right? The place value of 2 is 20. Now in third, 10.25, it is after decimal point. See, 10.25. So we can say the place value of 2 is 1 upon 10 multiply 2, right? So what is the place value over here? 2 upon 10. Understood? Sure. Otherwise, in another word, we can say 2 multiply 1 upon 10 is equal to 2 ones are 2 upon 10. As it is, go for the next 9.42. The place value of 2 after decimal. So one point you have to keep in mind properly, right? So 4 multiply 1 upon 10 plus 2 multiply 1 upon 100. So here the place value of 2 is 2 upon 100. Got it? As it is, go for the last one, 63.352. The place value of 2. So 3 multiply 1 upon 10 plus 5 multiply 1 upon 100 plus 2 multiply 1 upon 1000. So we can say the place value of 2 is 2 upon 1000. Got it? So all of you understood? Sure? Good. Now, so like this, please do it in your notebook. Now let's go for the example number 7. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. The journey started of the Dinesh from A to B and B to C. Now let's see how many kilometers he is covered over here. A is 7.5 kilometer from B. What is the distance between A to B? 7.5 kilometer, right? And B is 12.7 kilometer from C. 12.7 kilometers, right? After it, another one, Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 kilometers from B. 9.3 kilometers. And A from A and C is 11.8 kilometers from D. So are the distance between the different, right? A to B 7.5 kilometer, B to C 12.7 kilometer, D to C 11.8 kilometer, and A to D 9.3 kilometer. Now let's talk about very first Dinesh. See the Dinesh traveled A to B. Dinesh traveled A to B. How many kilometers? 7.5 kilometers. Then B to C. Where? B to C. How many kilometers? 12.7 kilometers. Now let's see the addition. 7.5 plus 12.7. Now 5 plus 7, 12. So 2 decimal 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 20.2 kilometer travels by whom? Dinesh. Got it? As it is, who is the another next person? Ayub. Let's see the journey of Ayub. He traveled from A to D. A to D. Right? How many? A to D 9.3 kilometer. And then after D to C. How many? 11.8 kilometer. Now add it plus 11.8. Now 3 plus 8, 11. So 1. 1 is remain 9. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1. 1 plus 1. So what we got it over here? 21.1 kilometer. Right? So now let's see what is asking who traveled more and by how much. So we can say who is traveled more? Ayub traveled more. Right? And how much? So what to do? Subtraction. 21.1 minus 20.2. 1 minus 2 is not possible. Right? So what to do? Borrow the numbers. So from here, so 0. What is it? 11. 11 minus 2. 9. Right? So point 0 minus 0. 0. Right? 2 minus 2. 0. So we can say how many? 0.9 kilometer more traveled by whom? Ayub. Ayub traveled 0.9 kilometers, right? More than Dinesh. So all of you understood? Sure? Okay, good. Now let's go for the example number 8. Just will explain you. Syama bought 5 kilogram 300 gram apples and 3 kilogram 250 gram mangoes. How many kilogram? 5 kilogram 300 gram what? Apples, right? And how many gram? 3 kilogram 250 gram what? Mangoes, right? So 5.300 plus 3.250. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Decimal 5 plus 3, 8 kilogram. So we can say who is Syama? Kaun? Syama, right? Bought how many? 8.550 gram total fruits. Then after Sarla bought 4 kilogram 800 gram. How many? 4 kg 800 gram. Orange, right? And 4 kilogram 150 gram bananas. So 4.800 plus 4.150. 0, 5 kilogram. Then after what is asking who bought more fruits? So 800 and Syama bought how many? 8.550 kilogram, while Sharla bought 8.950 kilogram. So we can say Sharla bought more, right? And how much? So 8.950 minus 850, if you will perform subtraction, so you may get your answer. So like this way you have to solve example number 8. Got it? Sure? Okay. Bye. Now in next period we'll learn next exercise. Okay, bye.